Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I hope you guys are having a great day. It's time for Technique Tuesday. We are going to be talking about the mirror technique. So let me go ahead and show you. I got my little basket of stuff here ready to go. And I'm going to be using 3 different stamp sets. So choose whatever stamp sets you want. I just saw this little guy right here, that little bird, and I'm like, that is so cute. And then I saw this from the Pattern Play, and then the Festive Corners, the Love You Lots, and that little row of hearts. So this is all going to be just simple stamping. And then one little technique, I'm going to be using the Rococo Rose and Soft Suede. I'm going to be using the Soft Suede and 2 pieces of Whisper White and a silicone craft mat and maybe the Elegant Faceted Gems, and then just a Rococo Rose pen possibly, and my stamp and seal, and that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got all my blocks out now. I'm just going to move all this stuff out of the way until I need it. I'm going to move this guy out of the way for just a sec as well. We're going to get our base ready as always. You're just going to take that, fold it right in half. If you have a bone folder, go ahead and burnish that down. Here's my host code. If you're going to be purchasing in September and you want to be in my online class next month, I'm going to be doing the Gnome for the Holidays. You can purchase that and get into the class, or a $50 minimum purchase would get you into the class. Or if you're part of my team, you will always get into my monthly classes. So there you go. Oh, real quick, I know, I have to show you guys. You guys are helping me so much, so thank you so much. I'm still a ways away, but I think I'm gonna make it with your help. So feel free, purchase that Gnome for the Holidays. I would appreciate it. All right, we're gonna use this guy here, and actually I'm gonna move this out of the way now. Take a screenshot if you want, because where did it go? Here we go. I'm just going to be using a scratch pad because I use the same paper over and over. So I'm going to move that out of the way and just get this little Stampin' Up piece here. And that way I can go over the edge. So I'm going to take this will be the inside, and I'm going to take the Love You Lots corner stamp. I'm going to do my soft suede. This will match perfectly. Oh, let's see, what way do I want to do this card? Yes, I'll do it like that. So we're just going to ink that up here and put it right here. Love You Lots. And then I'm going to flip it over, and we're going to do it again. And look how cute that is. That is just adorable. And then it leaves you plenty of room to stamp if you'd like. I'll get back to the inside here, but I'm going to just put that off to the side, and we're going to work on our next, which is the outside. If you want, oh look it, I touched it. That'll work. We're good. Flip that paper over. If you want the dimensions of my stuff, and if you want the list, check my blog, or if you're signed up for my newsletter, it'll come in my your email, or I'll put a list in the YouTube description as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the lines from the Pattern Play, and I'm going to do that in the Rococo Rose I'm just going to put that right there, and you'll see why I have the paper right there. And I'm just going to use these lines to line it up. And I have the paper there so that because it's going off the page. And there we go. Got two of the stamping out of the way. Again, this is all simple stamping. And I'm going to leave this open for just a second. But now getting into the technique portion of it, I'm going to take my soft suede and we are going to make this cute little bird right here. And I'm going to just put that bird right there. Okay. Now I want the other bird to be facing him. So I'm going to take my silicone craft mat. I'm going to ink this up really well. And I'm going to stamp that. Now I'm going to quickly come over here, and I can see him, and I'm going to just line him up with that other bird and push down. Push down, and then lift it up, and look, I've got two little birdies there. Super adorable, super cute. One is lighter than the other, but that is more than okay. Now we're going to take our little hearts, and I'm going to put those in the Rococo Rose, and we're going to give those little hearts coming up. Isn't that cute? And now we've got that super adorable little guy there. Now, if you don't want him, if you don't want your birds to be lighter, that's okay. You just get out your marker there, and you can color in your birds as well. That reversed bird. Just color him in so he's a little bit darker. See how that makes him a bit darker there. Just make sure you don't color in the white parts. But it gives a great little two birds there, and it's so cute. All right, now, oh, be careful, this does need to get cleaned, so don't put that anywhere. And now we're going to put it all together. We're just going to color these little hearts in to make everything match. And we're just going to take this guy here, and you could use another piece of Rococo Rose under there if you'd like, but I'm just fine. I wanted to do a very simple stamping and show you the technique, and this can be used on line cards as well. So if you had like two dogs, you could have them facing each other, two cats facing each other. We're just going to put this one right there. And now I'm just going to take some of the elegant faceted gems, or any gems that you would like. And I'm going to use this center color here. It's a pretty little pinkish brown, which gets everything nice and coordinated. I'm just going to take that and stick these little guys all around here. And how cute is this little card? I hope you like it. I definitely do, for simple stamping and to teach you how to do that mirror technique. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.